You see, my dear one, keep moving forward. I'm getting older, that's what they say life is, right? That we slowly change with time. At least that's what we're taught. I can see the lines on my face now. The marks shaped by everything I've lived through in my joys, my struggles, my scars. And yet, inside, something feels different. I don't really feel old. I'm still like you, my inner child. Ha, I live, I play, because I can feel you right there with me. You remind me again and again that there's something timeless in me and my love, in my creativity and my sense of wonder. And for you, for that light, joyful part of me, I choose to see life as something playful, something worth enjoying. I want you to be proud of me. You, the part of me I'm learning to care for again. I'm sorry for all the times I forgot about you. From now on, I'll listen to the energy, the life, the spark you bring. And I'll give you what I've learned, the calm, the wisdom that can hold you steady. We won't be separated anymore. Because together, we are something whole, a quiet, beautiful light that never really fades.